Our job here at CITM is to help companies build, grow, and scale their technology.
CITM is located in a growing city with a rich industrial history, leading academic and research and development institutions, and the benefit of multiple transportation modes such as rail, air, a shipping port, in both rural and urban systems and infrastructure. It is an ideal location for developing, testing, commercializing, and advancing technology solutions for smart mobility and autonomous transportation.
IRIS is a privacy-centric smart city solutions company.
So we have a machine learning, computer vision, AI software, and a hardware device that collects data.
Regional technology development sites like CITM enabled IRIS to develop and commercialize our technology faster.
We help them crystallize and focus their business. They entered the Innovation Factory's Lions Lair competition, which they won.
They've really helped in building partnerships and helping us get our solutions to the market.
Having CITM enabling that convergence of transportation, technology, and people, that's exactly what smart mobility is.